Hello writer friends, this is a slightly different video than I usually do and I'm very nervous. I mentioned to a friend of mine that I got my Happy Planner order in the mail and I was going to go open it, and she asked this. And I have been considering doing unboxing videos on my channel for a while. I know I'm going to be doing reviews, but I hadn't really decided on unboxing. But since Jen asked, I'm going to do this video of a kind I've never done before. And I hope you enjoy it. This is the Happy Planner. I forgot the name of it, but we'll find out as I open it. Okay, here we go. So I saw this online with a discount and debated getting it. But I have this shopping problem. I'm better than I used to be. I used to spend money I didn't have. This time I still had some money left over for Christmas, and so I thought, why not? I'll treat myself. I have the money. And this is what I got. Not intended for resale. I'm not gonna resell it. Here we go. Let's see if I'm lined up. Follow the Stars, Be Happy box is officially, I think, what it's called, and it's taped. So, I've never done an unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do more unboxing videos. I'm sure I will get better at it as I go. This is the very first one. Get out of there, packaging. Okay, so here we go. It's so pretty. I got it for the colors, I have to say, and the stars. I mean, let's be honest. Ooh, the stars hold magic. And I got it for this. I don't know how well that's focusing. It's a heart-shaped crystal. A heart-shaped rose quartz crystal. I'm gonna use this. No, don't look at me, look at the thing. So that's that. And we've got the crystal sticker. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm sorry. I'm a ripper. I ripped the wrapping paper. Okay. I am not a purple type of person. I'm also not a pink type of person. If you notice, I wear a lot of blues and blacks and stuff like that. But this is so pretty. It's sparkly. Okay, so these are the mini, I believe. It doesn't say on there. Why doesn't it? Oh, medium, huh? So these are the medium discs, and they're very, oh, for pity's sake. Too much packaging. Ooh. So they're kind of like see-through. Ah, I'm dropping everything, I'm sorry. They're kind of see-through, but they got glitter in them, and they're very like faint purple. Oh, that's so cool. So these are all the mini discs. And we've got a pretty shimmering sticker. Look to the stars with shimmering eyes. Can you see? Oh, it's reflecting. There we go. It's a big old sticker. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to put it somewhere. To the stars. Oh, wait. Keep looking to the stars. And this says, be a seeker of everyday magic. The Stargazer Be Happy box holds everything you need to make your mark among the stars. Share your happy, which is what I'm doing with you guys. Okay, here's the, okay, I'm gonna keep this as my little cheat sheet so I know what to call things. These are the affirmation cards. I have the power to create change. Yes, you do. There's one thing I've learned over 52 years on this planet. You do have the power to change your life for the better. It's not always easy. Not always fun. Sometimes it takes many, many years, but you do have the power. You just have to keep trying. So I have the power to change. Plastic over there. What else? I am doing my best, and that is always enough. Oh, these cards. Okay, I can't read anymore. They're gonna make me cry. If you want to know more of what the cards are, follow me on Instagram at mwinklerbooks, and I'll post them maybe like 1 or 2 every couple days or something. Because I love positive affirmations, but they do make me cry. And we don't want crying on this channel. Okay. So then we have this little, oh, what's this called? A large sticker pad. So you can have notes. Should we take it out of the plastic? Let's take it out of the plastic. Ta-da! So you can put this right side up in your notebook and have a little scratch pad. Cool. I love this. This is one of the big things I was looking forward to. And I'm sorry if I'm not doing this right on this camera. Phases of the moon. New moon, first quarter full moon, all that good stuff. It has a little thing about what it's about. New moon is for new beginnings. This is the perfect time to confirm what your goals or intentions will be and begin to plant those seeds. Yes, I knew that about new moons, but I'm looking forward to reading all the rest of these. So that's cool. I'm not gonna take that out yet. Well, it's called an unboxing video because you're supposed to unbox everything, right? Oh, it's very shiny. Very shiny. And it's blank on the other side, but that's okay. I bet you could use a dry erase marker on this. I don't know, I'll have to look that up before I ruin it. But on the back, that would be cool if they had lines where you could write stuff down and erase it. But there you go, there's that. Now we get to the really good stuff that y'all been waiting for, stickers. Here's the sticker sheet, 354 stickers, wow. And the weekly intentions, ooh, those are pretty because they're like a bluish purple, which I love. Oh, so cool. And ooh, shiny metallic pinks. And creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. Oh yes, let's hope for that, shall we? Power thoughts. Cool, cool. They're also shiny. A lot of these are very metallic, which is cool. I like metallic things because they're shiny. And I'm like a little kitten who loves to play with shiny things. And now, the big bucks. Oh. Open sesame. Oh, that's considerate. They put like styrofoam around the rings, so that's to keep them. Can you? I don't know if that camera's good enough to get it. Don't look on my face. Look at the rings. They're so, okay, wow. They're so cool. They're very purple. That's the end you need to look at right there. Can you see it? Or is it not focus? Focus. No, focus. Here, I'll tell you where to focus. Focus on that. Did you focus? I can't tell if you focused. Okay, well if it didn't focus, I'm gonna get a really good picture with my camera later, but oh, look at that. It's so, sorry. Like I said, kitty cat who loves shiny things. Okay, so the cover says, look at all the magic around you. And it's very, what am I doing? It's very pretty. I'm sorry, the ring line is shining off of it. And of course, as most happy planners, it starts with this little thing. And we're gonna, wait, come off. Okay, you know what? Work smarter, not harder. Okay. Whoop. Be the energy you want to attract. Yes, the law of attraction. Cool. I use the bullet journal as my regular scheduling thing that marks all the things I have to do and what I've done and all that kind of stuff. But I love the aesthetics of this, so I wanted this as a notebook where I can journal in it. So that's why I bought this. So there's a whole bunch of journal pages, and then you have this one. She walked in moon dust. Stars were sprinkled in her hair. That's a really cool image. I might have to write something about that. More pages, and then the last quarter. Live by the sun and love by the moon. Ooh. I know I'm flipping out of this. I'm sorry, but it's so cool. I don't know if you can see that because of the ring light is shining. So there you go. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So thanks for coming with me on this unboxing. I'm going to leave a picture at the end here with all the items all laid out and pretty. And let me know if you want me to do more unboxings, if there's anything specific you want me to do. I am going to do reviews of things like my QWERTY writer, which looks like an old typewriter and is very physical, but it hooks up to your computer, your laptop, or wherever you want. Things like that. Stuff that writers can use, and writers can definitely use these happy planner items, I think. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and if you've seen more than one of my videos, consider subscribing. It'll help my channel grow and I'll really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.